My name's Dalton Burk and I'm here at Superior Ford in Siloam Springs, and today I'm going to share the ultimate family vehicle with you today. Beautiful 2027 Ford Expedition Max Platinum. Ford Expedition is known for reliability, comfort, space, convenience. You got rear media in here to keep the family entertained while you're on your road trips. Now follow me so I can show you how much cargo space we have. Now moving on to the back. Here you got a power tailgate. Also got a little bench seat you can sit down right here while you're tailgating, watching the Razorbacks. Come on now. Tons of cargo space. Got more just by pulling this strap here. Convenience of raising your third row by the push of a button. You can lower it as well. Now we're gonna move into the inside. All right, let's check out the interior of this sweet ride here. With the massive driver center, half the dash, massive radio, super awesome features like heated and cooled seats, heated steering wheel, 360 camera, but one of the biggest features are in the back. Let's take a look. Look at all this space. Check out the rear media back here. The 2027 Ford Expedition is extremely beneficial for families going on those large road trips. If you're in the market for a Ford Expedition, here are a few reasons why I would buy one. The comfort, reliability, convenience, the space of the Max, whatever you need to do, you can do it in this vehicle right here.